Can Juliana have a turn? Look at Lucas vacuum. Train him young. Can Juliana try? You want a turn?
Mama, watch this, Mama.
Oh, wow.
See this? This helps all the things go in the thing.
That's right.
A vacuum.
Very cool. Are you okay, bud? You get something in your eye?
She wants that. See, do this, big sister, do that. Do this too. Do this, it turns off.
Okay, let her try, sweetie.
Can you get that right there?
Yeah, I'm gonna let her try.
She's trying to push
See, she
it.
wants to do it without it on, I think. Are you vacuuming?
Baby sister, this one she on the floor. What can you do?
Is she pretending to vacuum, Lucas?
Watch this, big sister. Get that.
Lucas. Okay. After that, let's not put them on the floor on purpose.
See, it starts the cheese up. Try that, big sister. Try it. She wants her to see
you
what
teaching
it
her?
does.
Good job.
See, she got my chair.
She did?
See, one cheery way. See, she got it.
She did, didn't
She
she?
says, what's that for? Look, it's
She's
just
bored
sucks.
with it.
Watch. See, it sucks up.
It does. Alright, Lucas.
Sticks up.
No more Cheerios. No. We don't want to waste the Cheerios. You want to eat them. You can find something else to suck up. I'm sure there's stuff on this carpet.
Hey, this stuff like this one leaf right there.
That's a good idea. Suck up the leaf.
I got. Vibrate, because the vibrate all the floor stuff.
Does it feel like it's vibrating? What does vibrate start with?
V.
What does vacuum start with?
V.
A vibrating vacuum starts with?
V.
That's right.
Check it. Check it out.
Check it out.
Watch this.
And
What?
that's why we go to Cheerios, I'm sure. It's the first time we've done that. She's like, and I'll take this with you.
Baby sister. She's trying to vacuum all the stuff on it floor. She's trying to vacuum this. This comes with the chance for vacuuming it. She's trying to vacuum your toes.
Yeah, you're right, she is.
What's that button for?
That's to make the compartment come off to empty out all the dirt that you vacuum up.